Want to keep sensitive or mature videos off your YouTube feed and protect your viewing experience? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can block sensitive content on YouTube. First of all, launch open the YouTube app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up settings. Now tap on general. Here, scroll down a bit and you will find the option of restricted mode. Go ahead and toggle this option on. When you toggle it on, it helps to hide potential mature videos. But remember that no filter is 100% accurate. But by enabling this, you will filter out videos flagged as inappropriate or mature. Next thing you want to do is customize your suggestion by giving feedback on individual videos. Whenever you see a recommendation that makes you uncomfortable, click the three dots menu next to the title and select not interested. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.